We are winterizing this flower bed. Shape those, we're not gonna have a spiral with it. Basically, we're just getting it ready for the going through the winter. This crepe myrtle right here needs to be clean just right there. Those roses, now these Japanese yews. So what we're gonna do is just kind of barely touch them, cut back these hydrangeas about to right here. That way they come back real nice. To make them come back, the best way is cut them almost into a ball. I'm gonna start on the sides, and I'm gonna get the top. We made little balls out of your hydrangeas. We cut it like that, the top higher, and then go like that. That way when it comes back in the summer, it'll come back and look really, really nice. And then either put your pine straw or mulch right here. So even when you got to cut back your hydrangeas, by putting the pine straw, it makes it normally where it would look bad, it still looks really good, and your flower bed is pruned and taken care of like it needs to.